If n is even, it is divisible by 2, divide by 2 and add 1. 6c4, 6c4 is 6c2, 6c2 is 6 into 2 divided by 2 into 5, no. But if n is even, we'll have only one middle term, that is n by 2 plus 1th term. Means I want to prove 2n Cn is equal to 2n minus 1 Cn. T4 and T5 are the two middle terms. We got both the middle terms. You can leave it here also. So choose LHS. MC m minus 2 should give you 6. I trialed with m is equal to 4. I got the answer. So I am getting RHS. RHS is 6. I got 6. So m is equal to 4. Worked out. By inspection, m is 4. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today I'll go ahead with problems of binomial theorem. Find the middle term in the expansion of 3 minus x cube by 6 power 7. So you know, if power is odd number, when you expand you'll get even number. In even numbers, we'll have two middle terms. So if n is odd, then middle terms are, there will be two middle terms. The middle terms are n plus 1 by 2, 2th term, and next term. So there will be two middle terms, n plus 1 by 2th term and next term. Because power is 7, when you expand you'll have 8 terms. In 8 terms, middle term is 8 by 2 and next. So here 7 plus 1, 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is what? 4. 4th term and 5th term are the middle terms. So now coming to this, first I'll take n. What is n? Power. Overall power is 7. So therefore 7 plus 1 by 2, that is 4. 4th term and next the term, 5th term. 5th term are the middle terms. So now your task is to find T4 and T5. So now if you see 3 minus x cube by 6, 3 minus x cube by 6 power 7, and here x is equal to the first term, or a b we say. A is the first term 3, b is the second term minus x cube by 6, n is 7, and middle terms just now we got. What are the middle terms? Middle terms are T4 and T5, 4th and 5th. So first find T4. So TR plus 1. What is TR plus 1? NCR, A power n minus r, B power r. What is n you have? N is 7. So 7CR. What is r? See, I need T4. To find T4, T4 can be written as T3 plus 1. So T3 plus 1. So r is 3, 7C3. A means 3, 3 power n minus r, 7 minus 3. Into b means minus x cube by 6 power r, that is 3. Now we'll have T4. So what is T4? T4 is 7C3 into 3 power 4. So minus x cube power 3, minus comes out. So 3 3s are 9 divided by 6 cube. So further if you want, you can simplify. 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1 into 3 power 4. 3 power 4 can I write it as 3 into 3 into 3. X power 9 divided by 6 into 6 into 6. 1 6 1 6 I will cancel. Further we have minus 7 into 5 divided by 3 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 x power 9 divided by 6 into 6. So you know 1 3 1 3 I can cancel. 3 ones are 3 twos are, again 3 ones are 3 twos are. So next further we have, yeah, so that is minus 35 into 3 divided by 2 twos are 4 twos are 8 into x power 9. So 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10, 105 by 8 x power 9. This is T4, one of the middle terms. They will have two middle terms. They want you to find middle terms, both. So T4 I got. So you can see T4 is T3 plus 1. T3 plus 1 NCR, N means overall 7, 7C, R is what? 3. A, the first term, power 7 minus 3. So 3 power 4 it will become. Second term minus x cube by 6 whole power R is 3. So now simplify this, 7C4, 7C3 can be written as 765 divided by 3 to 1, 3 power 4, x power 9, 6 cube, 3 3 is a 9 and 6 cube, 6 into 6 into 6. 1 6 you can cancel, 2 more 6 I'll carry here, 4 times I'll write 3, 3 ones are, 3 twos are, again 3 ones are, 3 twos are, and this 3 and 3 cancels. And I have 7 5 is 35, 35 into 3, that is 105, divided by 2 twos are 4 twos are 8 into x power 9. I hope all of you got it. So now we got T4. Similarly, we want one more middle term. That's why we need to find T5. So I wrote T4. I am erasing now T5. To find T5, T5 can be written as T4 plus 1. That is NCR. Okay, here again TR plus 1 formula. What is TR plus 1? NCR x power n, a power n minus r, b power r. N in this problem is 7. So 7C r is what? 4. So T4 plus 1. What is A? A is 3. 3 power 7 minus 4. B. What is B? B is minus x cube by 6. Minus x cube by 6 power 4. 7C4 is same as 7C3. So 7 into 5, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 4, 4 cancels. 3 2s are 6 and 6 cancels. 3 power 7 minus 4 is 3, 3 cube. Minus power even number becomes plus. 3 into 4 is 12, law of indices, divided by 6 power 4. Now you are left out with 7 5s are 35. 4 4 cancels, 3 2s are 6 and 6 cancels 35. Into we have 3 cube. I'll write 3 into 3 into 3. X power 12 divided by 6 power 4. Can I write it as 6 into 6 into 6 into 6? So now 3 ones are 2s are 1s are 2s are 1s are 2s are. Simplify this further. So here we are left out with T5. The fifth term is 35 divided by into x power 12 divided by 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. So into 6 we have 48. So T4 and T5 are the two middle terms. We got both the middle terms. You can leave it here also. Now find the middle terms in the expansion of power 10. See, power 10 means even number. If n is even, we'll have only one middle term. If n is even, then n by 2 plus 1th term is the middle term. 1th term is the middle term. So there I taught you, if n is odd, we'll have two middle terms. n ಏನಾದರೂ odd number ಆದರೆ two middle terms ಇರುತ್ತೆ, n plus 1 by 2 and next term. But if n is even, we'll have only one middle term, that is n by 2 plus 1th term. So now this is even. N is 10 here, even number. Therefore, n by 2 plus 1. n by 2 plus 1 means what? 10 by 2 plus 1. That is 5 plus 1. That is 6. So therefore, 6th term is the middle term. middle term. So you need to find T6. You need to find what? T6. X by 3 plus 9y. X by 3 plus 9y power 10. So I need to find T6 because we got sixth term is the middle term. So therefore, A means the first term. What is the first term here? X by 3. B means the second term. What is the second term here? 9y. And N means the overall power 10. And R is 1 less than this, that is 5. So now you know TR plus 1 formula. What is TR plus 1? NCR, first term power N minus R into second term power R. So what is N here? 10. So 10CR. What is R? So I need T5 plus 1. T6 means 5 plus 1. R is 5. 10C5. X by 3 power 10 minus 5. And 9y power 5. Simplify this further. So we'll have T6 is equal to 10C5 into x by 3 power 5 into 9 power 5 y power 5. So you can further write it as 10C5 x power 5 by 3 power 5 into 9 power 5 into y power 5. So you know 10C5 can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 terms in numerator starting from 10. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 into x power 5, y power 5, I'll write it at the end. And 9 power 5 in numerator, I'll write 9 into 9 into 9. Okay, I'll write power 5 is there. So I'll write 9 cube divided by, I have 3 power 5, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also you can write more terms. Okay, now simplify this. 2 1s are, or 3 2s are 6 and 6 cancels. Then 4 1s are, 4 2s are. Then 5 1s are, 5 2s are. So here whole denominator is gone. I have 2 into 9 into 2 into 9 into 2 into 7 into 9 into 9 into 9 into, so we have 5 times. So 9 into 9, and write this 5 times divided by 3 also 5 times. X power 5, y power 5. So you know 3 3s are 9. So this and this I'll cancel. Again 3 3s are 9. This and this I'll cancel. So 1 3 is there, and 1 3 I'll write it here. Now 2 3s are 6, 2s are 12 into 7 into whatever is left out. 9 9s are 81 into 9 into x power 5, y power 5. You can use calculator and multiply this and write the answer. Or if you leave it here, you will get marks. Few board exams, you can leave it here, no problem. Or if you want, you can further multiply and write the end answer. So what is the logic of middle term? There are two cases. So let me just summarize. So if n is odd number, then there will be two middle terms. Then there will be how many middle terms? Two middle terms. Then there will be two middle terms. What are the two middle terms? Two middle terms. In that, they are what are the middle terms? If n is odd, for n you add 1 and divide by 2. N plus 1 by 2th term and next term. These are the two middle terms. This is case 1. Case 2. If n is even, then there will be only middle term. Then n by 2 because it is divisible by 2 plus 1th term is the middle term. 1th term is the middle term. Very interesting. See, please understand, if n is even, it is divisible by 2, divide by 2 and add 1. If n is odd, it is not divisible by 2, so add 1 and divide by 2 and next term you take. Suppose if n is 11, 11 is odd number. So 11 plus 1, 12, 12 by 2. 12 by 2 is 6th and 7th term are two middle terms. If n is 20, 20 is even number. 20 by 2 plus 1. 20 by 2 is 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 11th term is the middle term. Like that, and then you have to use the general term formula. What is the general term? TR plus 1 is equal to NCR A power n minus R B power R. Means n is the overall power, A is the first term, B is the second term, R is the one term, one value less than what you want. So use this formula and see the cases. See the cases and get T, N, and after that you can conclude using the formula. Then, now 11th question, we'll go to the 11th question. They want you to prove the coefficient of x power n in the expansion of this 1 plus x whole power 2n is equal to twice the coefficient of x power n in this expansion. So in both the expansions, find the coefficient of x power n. So for that, first we'll take first term. First term is 1 plus x power 2n. Now TR plus 1 formula. What is TR plus 1? NCR A power n minus R B power R. What is n? 2n. So 2n CR, A is 1 power 2n minus R, B is what? X power R. X power R. So now please understand, we need coefficients. So TR plus 1, we don't know R plus 1. This is 2n CR. 1 power anything is 1, leave it x power R. Call it as equation 1. So now equate R to what? R is equal to n. So equate. So I want coefficient of x power n. So here I have power R. Power R should be what? N. R is equal to n. So put it here. So therefore put R is equal to n in 1. So then 1 becomes what? Tn plus 1 is equal to 2n Cn into x power n. So now therefore coefficient means with x power n, what we have? Coefficient of x power n is 2n Cn. Next we'll go to the expansion, that is in 1 plus x whole power 2n minus 1. I'll write TR plus 1 for this. What is TR plus 1 for this? NCR, in the place of n I have 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1 CR, x power means 1 power 2n minus 1 minus R into x power R. So you know 1 power anything is same. So TR plus 1 is same as 2n minus 1 CR. 1 power anything is 1, x power R. And again if I equate R to n, so R is equal to n, put it in equation. Already I call this one, I call it as 2. Equation 2. So then it will become TR plus 1. What is equation 2? Equation 2 is TR plus 1 is equal to, so in the place of n we have, what is the 2n minus 1? 2n minus 1 CR into x power R. So now in the place of R you put n, so it will become 2n minus 1 CR is equal to x power R. So now therefore they told 1 is the twice of other they want. So now I'll write coefficient. Coefficient of x power n is 2n minus 1 CR. So now our task is to prove the earlier coefficient. What is the earlier coefficient? 2n Cn. 2n Cn. Sorry, here R place is occupied by what? N. 2n Cn, and one more coefficient is what? 2n minus 1 Cn. So I want to get the relation of this, how they are related. So I want to prove, you see, coefficient of this is double this coefficient. means I want to prove 2n Cn is equal to 2n minus 1 Cn. You know that NCn can also be written as NCn minus n. So here 2n minus n. 2n minus n is what? 2n minus n is n. So therefore 2n minus 1 minus n becomes n minus 1. Now if I want to simplify, you know NCn minus r. So 2n minus n becomes same. Now one is double the other. Now 2n Cn and 2n minus 1 Cn, how they are related? So this is double this. So 2n Cn is 2 times 2n minus 1 Cn. So now what is 2n Cn? You should start with 2n, then it goes on 2n, 2n minus 1 like that. So now if I take LHS is what? 2n Cn can be written as, can I write it as 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2, 2n minus 2, so on, divided by n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, so on till 1. So this 2 if I take out, it is n, 2n minus 1, like that it will be. And further 2n Cn can be written as, start from 2n, decrease 1 1 1, 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2. See, observe all of you. So now our task is simple. So now to prove this, so I cannot just conclude this. See, first I am repeating. So we got this as coefficients. So I got two coefficients. So now I have to prove one is the double the other. One is double the other. Now, so I'll take this 2n Cn. Now my dear students, can I write it as 2n into 1 less than that, 2n minus 1 into 1 more less than that, 2n minus 2, so on, divided by n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 till 1 last term. It is n factorial. You know NCR expansion. NCR is what? In numerator you take n and decrease 1 1 1, and denominator take the denominator and 1. So now can I cancel this n and n? Now what is left out? What is left out? 2 is left out, write it. I am having 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2 dot dot divided by n minus 1 it starts, n minus 2 it starts till 1. So this compress 2 times. So I can write it as 2n minus 1 C n minus 1. 2n minus 1 C n, but I need 2n minus 1 C n. See here, if you see it, NCR, there also 2n minus 1 CR. This can also be written as, can I write 2n minus 1 C, 2n minus 1 minus n. So if I do that, it will become 2n minus 1 C. Subtraction of these two becomes what? N minus 1. So therefore, this is same. So twice, 2 times coefficient of 1 plus x power 2n minus 1. This is coefficient of 1 plus x power 2n. So this is coefficient of x power 2n. This is 2 times 2 we have. 2n c 1, 2n minus 1 c n minus 1 we have. So this can also be written as, so you know 2n minus 1 c n can also be written as 2n minus 1 c, subtraction of these two, that is n minus 1. These two are same. So therefore, conclusion. So I hope all of you got this. So I'll repeat. So what we need to prove, coefficient of x power n in 1 plus x whole power 2n is 2 times coefficients of 1 plus x power 2n minus 1 is the question. For this we'll get coefficient. What is the coefficient we got? 2n, sorry, here 2n Cn. 2n Cn is equal to 2 times, for the other one what is the coefficient we got? 2n minus 1 Cn. This we need to prove. And I have arrived at, take LHS, arrive at RHS. And this can also be written as, so you know, this can also be written as 2n minus 1 C subtraction of this n minus 1. So to prove, first you write what we need to prove. This is the thing we need to prove. Take LHS and arrive at RHS. Take LHS. What is LHS? 2n Cn. That can be written as 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, so on, divided by n minus 1, n minus 2, so on till 1. So I can cancel n and n. This can be written as this remaining part 2n minus 1 C, this beginning term n minus 1. So this is same as 2 times coefficient of 1 plus x whole power 2n minus 1. And this is what LHS is, coefficient of 1 plus x power 2n, hence the proof. But very interesting is NCR, see here repeatedly I am telling NCR can be written as NCn minus r. That will help you to pick the answer. Hope all of you got this. First I taught you how to find middle term, then I taught you how to find middle term when n is odd, when is even, and then the coefficients. So find a positive value of m for which the coefficient of x square in the expansion is 6. So now again use TR plus 1. What is TR plus 1? TR plus 1 is NCR a power r b power n minus r. So TR plus 1 is equal to NCR. N means power. Power is m. M C R a power. A means first. 1 power r. 1 power anything is same. X power m minus r. And they told find the value of m for which coefficient of x square in the expansion is 6. Coefficient. So now x square m minus r, I'll equate it to coefficient should become 6. So now m minus r is equal to what? 2. And m will become what? R plus 2. Or r will become what? R plus 2. Or r is equal to what? M minus 2. I have to select m. I have to select m such that MCR should become. So MC m minus 2 I can write. MCR is the coefficient actually. MCR is MC. Here r value is m minus 2. That should become equal to 6. MC m minus is equal to 6 because they want coefficient should be 6. And choose m, which is a positive value, is the question. So MC m minus 2. So MC m minus 2 should be 6. So do inspection. M you start with what? Any number other than 2. So m if you take 3, 3C1, 3C1 is 3. M if you take 4, 4C2, 4C2 is what? 4 into 3 divided by, no. M if you take 6, 6C4, 6C4 is 6C2, 6C2 is 6 into 2 divided by 2 into 5, no. So start trying 5. Let m is equal to 4 if I take 4C2, 4C2 is 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1. So if I do this, I'll get, 2 2s are, yeah. So I'll get 6. So therefore by inspection, m is what? 6, m is 4. So m I cannot take 2, 2 minus 2 becomes 0. So 0C 0 agbidutte. Sorry, 2C naught is 1 agutte, but I need RHS. So choose LHS. MC m minus 2 should give you 6. I trialed with m is equal to 4, I got the answer. MC 4C, 4 minus 2 becomes 6. Here 4C, 4 minus 2 it will become 4C2. 4C2 means 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 6. That's it. By inspection. So I am getting RHS. RHS is 6, I got 6. So m is equal to 4 worked out. By inspection m is 4. I hope all of you understood the problems what I discussed. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.